Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Dodge's 1997 to 2004 Dakota. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Begin by cutting or torching off the rivets retaining your leaf spring hanger. You may need to lift your vehicle in order to separate the hanger from the frame. Our part features removable perforated plates to allow the part to go around the spare tire crossmembers retaining rivets. If you are not replacing the crossmember, remove these plates as needed. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal, followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 3. Push the part onto the frame while using the part holes to help with alignment. Fully weld the part to the frame along all edges. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your leaf spring hanger with the included hardware, and you're done.